when you're dealing with manufacturing, you are at the absolute mercy of which direction they decide to take your technology, because they control every aspect of things that you want in autonomy. Like you would say, this is my technology. I should be able to determine how it's going to be built. I should be able to determine the BOM and assembly costs. I should be able to determine the location that they're going to either import or export, because you got raw materials, BOM assembly, packaging, sterilization.
Yes.
You have no control.
No.
Because all it takes for a manufacturing company is to say, we appreciate the interest. However, this is not a project that we could take on at this time. And you might have just spent 4 months with them.
Right.
Okay? I had to hire 4 different engineering firms. I interviewed 5. I cut down to 3. And I did work with actually 2.
Yeah.
One of them did my animation model. And if we had AI then, I think it probably would have been done faster. But just that animation model alone took 4 months, 4.5 months. And you're not able to tell them, hey, can you guys work on this faster? Can we communicate more effectively? They were all about, this is the target range of what I'm looking to invest. This is the determination of what I want this animation model to showcase. And you would look at it and say, oh, Alex, that's only a 57-second video. I could have produced that. And the thing is, you could, but you can't be accurate with it.
Right.
So I needed somebody in engineering that's actually done CAD systems modeling, that's worked with clinical companies before, and airway and anesthesia systems to actually know, what does it look like when a tube has to go through your nasal passage? How do you then blow apart the face and showcase where it is inside the trachea of the body? And then you have this beautiful animation that shows the technology from the inside out, right? So you have that. Well, that's not actually the technology. That's just a rendering of what you want it to look like. So when you have to actually build a prototype, you're even less in control. They can change materials on you. They can change the budget on you, and then you're stuck in a hijack position.